my yarny friends, I'm Sara Sach. Welcome or welcome back to another edition of this or that, and sometimes the other thing. Well, today I wanted to do a video I call Joy Bears on Parade. So what does that mean? Well, what it means is I put out our Joy Bear crochet pattern. Here is our one in all colorful colors. He turned out super cute. And of course, this one is the other one that I made. They're both the same. This one's just in beige colors. Well, a lot of you made Joy Bears also from my crochet pattern. And of course, you can find that crochet pattern in the Joy Bear playlist here on YouTube. And in that playlist, you'll find the 3 steps to make your own Joy Bear, as well as the overalls. We did a dress. We did the costumes, and every couple of months when I put out a new pattern for our Joy Bears to wear or something for our Joy Bears, it'll go right in that playlist and you'll be able to find it. But what we're doing today is I asked a bunch of people who made a Joy Bear using my crochet pattern. I just love it. It's the super easiest pattern you'll ever make for a teddy bear. Anyway, I got all their pictures, and I'm going to show them to you today. And I didn't do anything to the pictures other than maybe brighten some of them up and crop them a little bit. But these are their pictures of the Joy Bears that they made. And so I'm calling it Joy Bears on Parade. Aren't they just adorable? I just think every single one of those bears that my yarny friends have made have unique personalities and colors and styles. Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller. And so they're all different with different personalities, and I absolutely love every single one of them. And I hope that this will inspire you to make your own Joy Bear also. Now, it is a bear that measures, and I always say, between 16 and 18 inches because we all stitch differently. And you may want to make your Joy Bear taller through the body or shorter. It's up to you. That's the neat thing about the pattern, is it's very versatile because it's super easy. I did want to tell you about another Joy Bear that was made. This young lady her crochet channel is called Coco's Crochet, and she took the bear pattern and made a koala bear. It is just adorable. And I'm going to put her link underneath this video as well, because she did it on one of her videos. She took a picture of it on one of her videos. I want you to see it. And also, I love her channel, so go see her, subscribe, like her channel. She has a wonderful, beautiful accent, really sweet lady, does a great job on her podcast, okay? And you know I love to encourage other crocheters and crafters on YouTube. I did want to remind you that my latest pattern that I put out this last week is the costume pattern. And it comes in a way that you can make it in several different styles. This is the pumpkin. This is the bumblebee. And this is the cat. And the neat thing about this pattern is it's just a basic costume that you can do in any colors that you want to, any way you want to. And it has a cute hat that has ear holes for the bear's ears. And I put kitty cat ears on this one, but you could make it a bunny or a puppy or any animal that you want to. And see, the bumblebee is striped. And bumblebees, yeah, in nature are black and yellow, but maybe you want to make a pink and purple butterfly. You could add some wings to the back. And so these are very simple patterns, very versatile. And that's the way all the patterns, I'm trying to make the crochet patterns for our Joy Bears to be easy to stitch up and easy to get on and off your bears. Okay? Now again, all the costumes fit bears that are like your Build-A-Bear size or the bigger Care Bears. There's a Hug-A-Bunch doll, your Cabbage Patch dolls. They're all about the same size. And there are a lot of other bears and animals out there. Like I have a bunny and I have a cat. You can see the bunny is right back there and the cat is over there. And so they're all Build-A-Bears, but I also have other animals that are not Build-A-Bears, but they are similar in size that these costumes will fit. And that's why I'm trying to make them pretty versatile, as well as easy to stitch up and easy to get on and off our animals. Because just because we're adults doesn't mean we don't like to play with our bears. I mean, come on. I love my teddy bears. Well, thanks for being with me today. I hope if you have made a bear, that you'll send me a picture. My email is underneath here down in that description box. Feel free to send me a picture of a bear, or if you've done a video and you have a link, go ahead and send that link. I'll tell people about it because I think everyone should make teddy bears. They're just wonderful and fun, and everyone loves them from babies all the way to us old ladies. All right, so that's our video for today, and I certainly hope it will make you smile. See you next time.